Hello, hello guys! Kung hei Fat Choy, Santay Gingo, Happy Chinese New Year! So, ito guys, red envelope sa harap ko. Ito yung ating mga pera. So, mga 50, yan, and 20. Ito guys ay ilalagay natin sa red envelope of nahulog. Ampaw sa Tagalog. So, guys, ito ay paswerte. Oo. So, sa Chinese tradition, so, ito po ilalagay natin yan. Paswerte yan, guys. So, ito naman is lucky lang. Palaki-laki yun, guys. So, ito, guys, maglalagay tayo para sa mga single, mga bata, ganyan. So, only for giving to them as good luck. Yan. And lucky. Yan. So, ito. Okay, once again guys, kung hei Fat Choy, Santay Gingo. So, have a happy Chinese New Year. And this is it. Over 1 minute. Bye! Good luck and God bless everyone. Stay safe. Ciao! Kung hei Fat Choy. Ayan, ayan na ang ating mga laisi. Ayan. Kung hei Fat Choy, laisi tuloy. Happy Chinese New Year, Year of the Horse. Ayan ang horse namin. Okay. Hello, hello. Good afternoon, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. So, ito, ngayon sa baba ng bahay. Ito, magmamarket tayo. Ito ang aking trolley. Yan. Today's day off, kaya magmamarket ako for my food for Kung Hei Fat Choy. Kasi tomorrow is Chinese New Year, but my family is coming to my home. We're doing a hot pot today. So guys, ayan, sandali muna. Dito tayo sa part. Ayan ang part namin guys. Ayan. Ang ganda ng tanawin. Ay, hindi nakikita guys. Yung mga building sa taas at mga view. Only in the, ayan, part lang. Okay. Okay guys, so habulin natin kasi time check na guys. Okay, quarter to 2 o'clock na in the afternoon. And then my grandkids, my apo, Elris and Elris, Marley Boy, and Daphne also is coming tonight sa bahay. So guys, so see you again later. Okay, bye from now. Stay safe and God bless everyone. Ciao. Kung hei Fat Choy, Happy Chinese New Year everyone. Mwah! Guys, so dito na tayo sa may ayan, Chunwan Center Phase 2 Shopping Center. Ayan, so dito na lang tayo magmamarket. So ito guys, ang ganda ang mga I don't know what is this one. Carnation? Of course. Ang lucky na orange. Yan. Lucky yan guys. So, hingal ako kasi umakyat ako. Thunders na! Charot! Okay guys, so pagpatuloy natin mamaya. Okay. So, happy lang. Good vibes lang sa buhay. Be enjoy and happy. Bawal ang stress. Kasi, it's Chinese New Year. Kung hei Fat Choy, di ba? Alright. Enjoy life. Good day. Guys, dito tayo ngayon sa may Deli France. Mamimili tayo ng yan, naka-Kung hei Fat Choy ako ng jacket. Kasi Chinese New Year. Kung hei Fat Choy pala. So, ito ang ating mga choices. Yan. So, yan ang ating na-order na guys. So, yan B6 Premium Choice. Ayan. So, eto yan guys. So, breakfast tayo. Breakfast. Alright. So, waiting for my breakfast order. Ayan na guys. Ang aking mga pagkain. Piniprepare na nila guys. Ayan. Okay la. Alright. So, take it na. Good morning. Kung hei Fat Choy. I don't have laisi. After I will come. Yeah, hello. Deli France staff. Okay, bye. Okay, let's eat. Yan ang ating pagkain. Hindi ko binigyan. Kanina pa sana ako bigyan, kaya nang dumiretso ako doon. Iniisip kong naglalakad.
Binigyan ko na siya ng doon si Pepe, ang anak ni Lulu. Talaga silang dinagkabi-sabihin magnanay. Wala naman, wala bang iba silang?
Okay, kung hey Pachoy guys. Kung hey Pachoy. Lai si tuloy. Kung hey Pachoy. Oh, two hands. Like this, two hands. Kung hey Pachoy. Kami yung yeah, Alexander, be good boy, good health, good prosperous, okay? Study well. Bye. Good health. Okay, bye-bye.